Hello guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. So I am posting post-market report and pre-market levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty regularly. So you can watch and follow my videos on my channel. So if you are a beginner, please watch my old videos also. So most of my videos will be post-market and pre-market analysis only. You can analyze you can able to watch and note down the levels, and you can able to analyze on your own ideologies. Okay, you can able to learn yourself. If it is suitable for you with my levels, then you can take decision on tradings. Okay, don't want to follow blindly with my levels or anyone levels. Okay, so if you have any queries or any feedbacks, please let me know on comments, so that will boost up me to post more videos further. Okay, on any other topics. Okay, so coming to the point, this is for post market video of Bank Nifty. Okay, as I said yesterday on pre market video, if you are not watched, please watch that video and come back here. Okay, as I clearly said, maximum market will be on sideways only. Okay, so as our predictions, based on these levels, see market today will be on sideways only. Okay, only some breakouts happen post 2 p.m. It's not also not unable to withstand, and again went to same level here. Okay, so this is purely working on the price actions only. Okay, so see, as I said on pre-market video yesterday, here once it is taken support and going up, only we need to go for long. Correct. For short position, I have short here. Okay. If it is I like what I said, market mostly on sideways. If it is broken on taken resistance, then you can go for short and long here only. Only on range bound candles. Okay, so nothing will be on trending day, correct? So as we predicted, market has played in the range only, not played in these levels. Okay, if it is come out and taken resistance or broken, we can able to go for short or long with like a scalping only. So same thing, it is played in center of this zone. Okay, in the center zones for the whole day. Okay, so for beginners, you cannot able to trade in this kind of trading day. Okay, you have to watch and analyze. Okay, even today we can able to trade little bit only on based on the support and resistance levels, like a scalping in one or two candles with good profits. But only get experience with this kind of analysis and training, then only you can able to trade. Until this will be more difficult, and you will end up with a loss only. Okay, so that's about the post-market report for Bank Nifty. Okay, and the reason is like why it is not going able to break these levels. Right, already I marked this level. Correct, this 43, 43. Okay, see, it is breaking, but not unable to survey on above levels. Correct, it is not able to take support to go up. So, okay, that's what it is not like other trading days. Okay, so it is breaking and coming down, and it's breaking and coming down. Finally, it is not breaking. It's taken resistance and played inside the range bound. Correct. So because Nifty had a strong resistance here. Okay, Nifty had a strong resistance on this level. So while analyzing, while trading, every time you have to compare both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Then only you can able to enter at the correct place. Okay. Otherwise, if you go for long on this big candle, you will stuck up with this place. Correct. Because after that, it never went to this levels. Correct. The first candle high never touched. Can you able to see this? After that, it will market will be on sideways and come uh, directly to the below levels only, and finally it will be on the range bound day. So if anyone went wrong, they will stuck up with these levels and end up with the loss only. So that's what you need to analyze the levels, analyze the charts. Where is the resistance? Where is this? Whether it will be able to go up or not. Okay. So until unless you don't want to enter the market, okay, protect your capital and wait for the right setup to come. on the day. Okay, if you're not, if there is no right setup coming today, it will come tomorrow. Okay, there is no urgency. Okay, don't want to force to trade. No one will force you to trade every day. There is no mandatory or compulsory, correct? So always trade with the plan, with the right setup only. Okay, so that's all guys today. We'll see you on next video for tomorrow, like a pre-market for Bank Nifty. We'll upload soon. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for your support.